Hello, let's look at this other problem in exponential equations. First, we have the first part here. It says we should prove that k to the power x plus 1 minus k to the x is equal to k minus 1, all of that multiplied to k to the power x. Solution. And then, of course, the second part says we should solve for x. This equation 2 to the power 99 minus 2 to the power 98 is equal to 1/4 to the power x. So let's start with the first part. The first part says k to the x plus 1 minus k to the power x. We want to prove that this expression equals to this right-hand side. Now, if we look at this carefully from the laws of indices, this is k into k to the x minus k to the x. So now we see k to the x common, which can be factorized. K to the x into k minus 1. Okay? And if we look at it, it is just what we have on the right-hand side. So we have proven this expression. Now, the second part says we should solve the equation. Solve the equation 2 to the 99 minus 2 to the 98 is equal to 1/4 to the power x. Okay? Now, if we look at 2 to the 99, we can write it as 2 to the 98 plus 1 minus 2 to the 98 is equal to 1/4 can be written as 4 to the negative x. Now, look at this carefully. We have 98 plus 1 and we have 98. Now, if we look at our expression there, we have x plus 1 and we have x. So 98 can play the value for x in this expression. And so this left-hand side equals this right-hand side. We can now follow that and write this left-hand side as our k is 2, 2 minus 1 into our k is 2, 2 to the x. Our x is 98. It's equal to 4 is the same as 2 squared. So it will become 2 squared times negative x. All right, 2 minus 1 is just 2. It's just 1. So we have 1 multiplied to 2 to the 98 is equal to 2 to the negative 2x. Now, we've succeeded to arrive at an equation involving two index expressions. Now, this index expression equals to this index expression if and only if the bases are equal and the powers are equal. All right, so here we have the bases are equal. Automatically, we have the right to equate the powers. From here, we now know what to do to have x. We divide both sides by -2. So our -2 cancels here. And then here we're going to have negative 49 as our value for x.